Lovelies. So I told you guys earlier on, the end of last year and also this year, that I'm very intentional about sharing projects, crypto airdrops that's going to make you money while you are still mining in 2025. And I've been very intentional about that. And I've been on the lookout too for this kind of project that my eyes are burning as in because of me searching always online, trying to make sure we say enough is enough to mining other project for long and getting scraps at the end of the day from Telegram Airdrop projects. And I've been very intentional looking out for airdrop projects or even crypto airdrops that you can earn while you're still mining, even before that list. Now, one of such is SUI Bison. I'm not sure if the bison is the correct pronunciation, but who cares? I'm just after making or increasing my income in 2025, and I cannot sleep on such updates when I know I have subscribers who have been like the real thing. Your support on this channel is massive, like massive. So I cannot leave you guys out of this kind of updates. So I'm going to walk you today on how to earn like n times 10 on SUI Bison. I don't know. I don't care. SUI Bison. So this is how to earn times 10 of whatever income you deposit on SUI Bison. So let's get started. SUI is powered by top engineers and mathematicians, and it redefines what's possible on the SUI blockchain. How does it work? The SUI Bison is the first of its kind community-driven smart contract project on the SUI blockchain. I'm going to tell you now, take the SUI blockchain very serious. Like the SUI blockchain on this crypto space, take it very serious. How to participate, right? So you need to deposit a minimum of 1 SUI. Yeah? And you will earn 1% daily for 5 days. That is, if you deposit, let's say if you deposit 1 SUI, you're going to earn 1% of that 1 SUI for 5 days. Then after 5 days, it's the percentage you are going to earn is going to increase. So maximum earning is 4% daily for 100 days. I'm going to explain this later, and I'm only going to be explaining this particular one. Let me re-highlight that. I'm only going to explain this particular one on our crypto trading premium platform. Now, yes, if you don't know, we already have a crypto trading premium platform where I'm dedicating my time to only answer questions, lead you through, walk you through on crypto trading in a paid platform. Yes, we already know we have the Sussy's vlog community on Telegram, but this particular one is strictly for you if you want to go into crypto trading in 2025 and want to earn more apart from airdrop projects. The links to either of the channel, either the Sussy's vlog community or the crypto trading community, is going to be in the pinned comment of this video and also in the description box of this video. What you need to do is to deposit a minimum of 1 SUI. So by the way, if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan. This is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates, how to earn money on the side while waiting for that particular job offer, and so much more. I also share my no-fail commercial recipes on cake, small shops, food trays, drinks, and so much more from time to time. So this is that channel where we share everything legit that brings in good money. Beautiful thing also about this SUI Bison is that it's on Telegram. Yeah, so let's go dive right into it. On the link I'm going to be dropping in the description box of this video, on my first pinned comment, you're going to be joining SUI Bison. SUI Bison, whatever. SUI Bison, you're joining it, and you just need to click on the link in the description box or in my first pinned comment. Description box, guys, or first pinned comment. Why, if you're on Sussy's Vlog community platform on Telegram or on the Crypto Premium platform, you're going to be seeing the link already in the platform at the time I drop this video. So you come here, you click on start. It is very simple. So once you click on start, it's going to tell you welcome, your name, your name on Telegram will say welcome. Please use a referral link to register. If you've already registered, please click the launch button on the attached bottom attached message or button left of your screen. You cannot register without using a referral link, so you will need to click on the link in the description box or in the comment section to register. So you will now come here and click on launch, or you click on launch here just like we do our normal regular Airdrop project mini app on Telegram. Now you need that referral link to launch this project, to launch this SUI Bison. So I'm going to click on launch. It's going to bring out a walkthrough. You can just keep next until it brings you to this place. So now the first thing I want to do is to go here, click on invite friends. This place that shows invite friends, click on it, copy your referral link and paste it on your social media platform. Let your friends join. The more you have referrals, the more you are going to earn. And let me tell you this is a secret right now. SUI Bison is not yet widely known. Yes, this project is not yet widely known. So while it's still in its early stage, in its baby stage, my dear, use the opportunity to earn. So if you remember our SUI coin, our SUI coins, yes, that was an OKX. Or if you already did yours and you withdrew it to Bybit like I already did, it's just time to invest that SUI coin. It's time to stake it and it's time to earn. I'm going to show you also when I'm going to withdraw. So I'm going ahead of myself because I'm excited. The first thing I'm going to do is to come in with the deposits. And we're going to deposit SUI. We're going to deposit a minimum of 1 SUI. You can only deposit a minimum of 1 SUI, right? So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on deposits. When you click on the deposits, it will bring you here. This is where you need my referral link. If you do not enter by the referral link, those deposits here where it's showing deposits, it's not going to show. So you need the referral link to come here and click on this deposit address just like this. I'm going to just copy this right now. I'll copy this deposit address right now, and then I'm going to go back to my Bybit. Now I'm on my Bybit, right? I'm on my Bybit. The first thing I want to do is, if you have USDT, if you have about 5 and a little bit above 5 USDT, you're going to convert that, and you're going to convert that to SUI coins. Yes. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come here. This is this here is showing USDT, but this is not actually USDT. I have some SUI coins before. Our SUI, remember the SUI deposited? Yes. So this is SUI and also USDT. Let me show you here. If I come down here to asset right now and I click on asset, so I'm going to come here and I'll click on my funding. It's actually under my funding, so I'm going to convert the USDT I have to SUI. So I'll come here and click on convert. For OGs, you'll have been aware of how to convert this. You know how to convert this, right? So I'm doing this for newbies in the crypto Airdrop space. So once you do that, this cryptocurrency to be USDT, then you're going to click there and you're going to click on drop down button and you're going to search for SUI. So this particular place here, let it reflect as USDT, and this is the from. You're converting from this cryptocurrency, you're converting it to SUI, right? So I'm now going to come here, I'm going to click on max, just max like this, max. And then after clicking on max, you're going to see that this is a 3.4986 USDT I have on Bybit right now. I'm going to convert that to SUI, and once I convert that, it's going to be 0.77 SUI. So I'll come down here and click on quotes. So it's going to ask me to confirm. I'm going to click on confirm before the timer runs out. Now, if assuming you don't have any, I'm just imagine that you are new to the crypto airdrop space and you've not been following my channel. Meanwhile, why are you not subscribed yet? Please subscribe. So I'm assuming you are new to the crypto airdrop space and I'm not been following my channel. Just do what we call P2P. I have a detailed step-by-step video on how to do P2P and how to buy USDT on Bybit. Yes, and if you want to learn how to trade properly on Bybit, join my crypto trading premium platform on Telegram. And trust me, you're going to learn step by step. So this has already been converted to SUI. I'm just going to go back to view assets, and you see the assets I have here right now that is showing 5 USDT is actually in SUI coins. Copied our address. So come to assets. We just come to assets here, and we're going to click on withdraw because we want to withdraw SUI from Bybit to the Telegram mini app. That's SUI Bison Telegram mini app. So I'll click on that. My brush stroke is not working, so unfortunately I can't point or highlight anything right now. So this place that is showing SUI, make sure that it is on SUI. Right now, the address here, you just paste the address you copied from Bybit, from the SUI Bison Telegram app. Then this network, make sure you select SUI. Make sure you select SUI. Then it's going to ask you what's the amount of SUI you want to transfer. I'm just going to click on max. I think I'm going to add more here. Then it's going to tell you make sure you copy the right wallet address and you pasted it here, and make sure the network is SUI. Then click on withdraw, and once you click on withdraw, it's going to ask you, okay, I'm going to do kind of verification normally. Then I'll click on confirm. Then they sent me an email, a code in my email, and I also pasted the code for my Google Authenticator and I confirmed the transaction. And then I saw the coin in my SUI Bison app on Telegram after about 15 minutes. I lost the clip of that video, that's why I have to do this voiceover. You will have to wait for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes for your tokens to reflect on your SUI Bison app. So the SUI coin I have here is 0.995 SUI. So I need about 1 SUI before I can stake and start earning 1% of that 1 SUI per day. So I click on that deposit, and then I'll click on initialize stake, and then it will automatically start giving me a percentage of 1% of that staked SUI coins per day. So I don't have up to that 1 SUI right now. I'm going to say add more SUI by the end of today. I'll add more SUI to this my SUI Bison app, and then I'm going to come back here and stake. The easiest route to earning is to invite friends. So you come start invite your friends, and you are going to just copy your invitation link just like this, and you need a referral link before you can have a deposit address. If you don't have a referral link, there's no deposit address. The minimum SUI coins or minimum SUI currency you can stake here to start earning is 1 SUI. So I'm going to still add more SUI here. If you have about 5.7 USDT and you convert the whole 5.7 USDT or even 6 USDT to SUI coin, it's able to cover everything. That's because I removed gas fee about 0.01 SUI. That's why mine is not up to 1 SUI. I'll add more SUI. Now let me say something. In crypto, on the crypto space, it's good for you to take profits when necessary, and don't be too greedy. I know the reason why I made mention of this. It's good to take profit and not be too greedy. Then once you stake, you're going to be seeing your earning where it shows earning available. You can withdraw anytime, but your minimum withdrawal has to be a 1 SUI. You can only withdraw a minimum of 1 SUI. You can withdraw any time of the day, any time of the week, and your minimum withdrawal is 1 SUI. It's keep increasing. Like once you stake, you have 1%. You have 1% of what you stake. For the next 5 days, you have 1% of what you stake. Then it's going to increase after 5 days, and you're going to be having 4%, a maximum of 4% of whatever you've staked. Let me repeat that again. You'll be able to earn 1% of what you stake for the next 5 days, and then the percentage is going to increase, and you can only have a maximum of 4% of what you staked for 100 days. After the 5 days, the percentage is going to increase till it gets to 4%, and that 4% percentage are going to be earning on whatever you staked for the next 100 days. I hope this makes sense. If you have questions, ask in the comment section. I will respond. And do well to join the Telegram community, Sussy's vlog community. You can search for that on Telegram. Also do well to join our crypto trading premium platform on Telegram. You start earning. So the best way to start earning is to stake, and it's to refer friends. Also, if you come to this place, it shows activity. You're not coming to do any tax. No, you're not doing any tax. So this is one of the best I've seen on Telegram, because I was about giving up on Telegram airdrop mining, or Telegram airdrop bots, until I came about this, right? So you can see here it shows deposits. This is deposits. If I add more SUI coins by this evening, I'll start staking. And once I start staking, once I'm making my first withdrawal, you know me, I will come back here to share the step-by-step process. If you click on the community, you can decide to join this community platform and all that. There's no award for it. It's not like a regular Telegram airdrop project that wants to join to do some tasks, they're going to award some. No, there's no award. Yours is just to stake whatever you can stake and leave it till you have about a minimum of one. So if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw, or you can leave it there to keep any more if you want, and also refer your friends. It's as simple as that. So that is all for now. See you in another subsequent update. Bye for now.